Hello, children. Today we are getting into talking about ordered pairs. What are ordered pairs? How do we use them? How do we find them? What do they mean? All sorts of good stuff. So when we talk about an ordered pair is a pair of numbers that can be used to locate a point on a coordinate plane. So the pair of numbers that can be used in a coordinate plane. And the way we talk about an ordered pair is we say an ordered pair is written x, y. And there are two variables in an ordered pair. There's an x variable and a y variable. So if we have an equation with two variables, this is also used as a solution for an equation with two variables, x and y. That was not a great y. X and y. So an ordered pair is a pair of numbers that can be used to locate a point on a coordinate plane and is used as a solution for an equation with two variables. Okay, so this is going to be where we're spending more time today. I'm not going to say things like, is this an ordered pair? Because you know that, and we've done that, and we're just moving past that. So we're going to be talking about how to solve two variable equations and write our answers as an ordered pair. Let's say I have the equation y equals 3x plus 2, and I say, is the point 2, 5 a solution? Is this point a solution for this equation? And the way I can figure that out is I can take what I know, that my first value is my x, my second value is my y, and I can plug that into where I see an x and a y. X and a y. And so I would rewrite this and I would say, well, 5 is equal to 3 times 2 plus 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 5 is equal to 8. 5 is not equal to 8. It's not true. 5 is not equal to 8. That means that the point 2, 5 is not a solution. 2, 5, not a solution. What about this same math problem here, but with the point 311? Is 311 a solution? All right, so that is the first thing we're talking about is an ordered pair a solution. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about how to make a table of solutions or a table of ordered pairs. So I'm going to give you the equation y equals 8x. And we want to solve this for x equals 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here's the information that we are given. Y equals 8x, and we are solving for x equals 1, x equals 2, x equals 3, and x equals 4. 4 different ways we are solving this equation. And we do that by creating a table. And so here's our table. It's lovely. And we have our x value. We have our equation, we have our y value, or our answer, and then we have our ordered pair. And I've given you our x values already. I gave you the x value of 1, 2, 3, and 4. I gave you those x values. Now we use that to solve our equation. So I plug x into my equation here. So instead of 8x, it's going to be 8 times 1. Instead of 8x, it's going to be 8 times 2, 8 times 3, 8 times 4. Where my x is going to change depending on whatever my x values are. Whatever these values are will change what my value is in the table. And we go through and solve this. 8 times 1, well, that's 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 4 is 32. And then I'm going to write these as an ordered pair. So my x is still 1. My y is 8. When my x is 2, my y is 16. x3, y 24. x4, y 32. And so this is a list of ordered pairs that come from my equation. So here's my equation. This was my equation, and these are the ordered pair answers that come from my equation. So let's say I have this table here, or this equation here. And I have these values here. What are my ordered pairs that will match with this information? Let me know what you think about this, and I will see you all tomorrow.